Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A16S and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then open the settings, go to System Settings and choose Backup and Reset. Here you will notice Google Backup, so all you have to do is to activate it by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. Now it's time to add your backup account. To do it, just click on Backup Accounts. And if you are logged with your Google account, you can smoothly pick it. And if you are not, you can add a new account smoothly by entering the details of your account. And that's it. That will be all. This is how you can activate Google Backup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.